Good.
Have you ever found yourself, Clay, just laying in bed wishing that the income tax was higher?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, a lot of times I can't sleep and I just wait for the morning because I want to tell other people about how much I want the taxes to go up.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how about we move to the self-employment tax here?
Yeah.
I sometimes, I'm embarrassed to admit it, but I sometimes confuse ESPN.com for IRS.gov. I get the letters mixed up. It's happened a few times, 6 times last month. But one of those times when I just thought I was reading something about LeBron, I was spending hours on IRS.gov.
Yeah.
And those dudes actually defined self-employment tax as you're self-employed for this purpose if you are a sole proprietor, including an independent contractor, a partner in a partnership, including a member of a multi-member limited liability company, LLC, or are otherwise in business for yourself. We're not done, but this is when I started to think, where's LeBron? I haven't read anything about LeBron in a while. And then it continued and it said, a sole proprietor also includes the member of a single member, LLC, that is disregarded for federal income tax purposes, and members of a qualified joint venture. You usually must pay self-employment tax if you had net earnings from self-employment of $400 or more. So, Clay, in your mind or out of your mind, what does this very simple and basic definition mean to you?
Well, the thing about self-employment tax is you get taxed twice. That's the whole deal, okay? So you get to pay taxes for yourself because you work for yourself. So you pay employer tax because you own the business.
Yeah.
And now you pay the employee tax. So you look at your tax, you're going to pay Social Security, right?
Yeah.
The boss, the company you work for pays half of it, and you pay half of it. But if you're self-employed, you get to pay both halves, which is awesome.
That desire that you went to bed with the night before, like, man, I wish my income tax was higher. You woke up and found the self-employment tax fulfilled that, huh?
I tweeted myself that message.
That's encouraging. That's wonderful, man. So why do I have to know about all these taxes again? Please remind me.
Because I'm telling you, it's going to bust you upside the head and you're going to run out of cash. And the other day I was sitting with a man who's like almost 60, and I'm not kidding. I'm sitting with a 60-year-old man. He's making lots of money, and he tells me, I'm sorry, the check I wrote you bounced. And I say, what? Well, he's set up automatic withdrawal on his taxes with his accountant, never looks at it. Homeboy has $70,000 of outstanding tax bills, has no idea. Oh, that couldn't happen to me, you say. Oh, really? I know a cosmetic surgeon who it happened to. Oh, well, not to me, though. Oh, really? I know a videographer who it happened to.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Well, I'm telling you, it's bad.
That's why we're devoting time to this. You've got to at least understand where that money's going.
And it's exciting.
Okay. So exciting. All right, next exciting topic here, tax topic, is payroll taxes.
Oh, come on now.
Now, again, we go back to our main man, Webster, and he defines payroll tax as being a government or state tax levied on employers as a percentage of wages and salaries paid to employees.
Real quick, real talk. I don't want to get into the semantics. If you want to watch our accounting episodes, we can do it.
Yeah.
The point is, you now have paid 3 taxes.
Right.
We have not totally spent anything at Walmart yet.
Right.
Maybe you go to Target, maybe you go to Lowe's, maybe you go, I don't know what store you go to, I don't want to show favoritism, maybe you don't even go to stores, maybe you hand make your own TVs. The point is, you're going to spend a lot of money on taxes before you actually...
If you do just make TVs in your living room, send us a video. We'd love to, have you here and videotape that whole process.
Not making this up, not trying to one-up you, but David Robinson actually has made his own TV. Gosh. I swear to you, true story, he made his own TV. He is the man, and if I paid my taxes to him, I'd be happy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. He'd probably build us roads and stuff, too.
Well, sorry to...
All right, here we go. Payroll
taxes.
Payroll taxes. I just read that definition.
Okay.
Don't feel like reading it again.
Don't do it.
Can you just summarize that? I mean, it's simple, but just summarize it again for us.
Basically, the people who work for you, you're going to have to pay taxes, and you have to pay taxes for being their boss. And because I'm excited about the new taxes, since government does so well at managing other funds, I'm excited about this new one where we're doing this government health care program.
Yeah.
That'll probably also be a good usage and more taxes for you.
Good deal. Okay, so how is that different? What's the difference here with the self-employment tax? Because you said the self-employment tax, you are being taxed as the owner and you're being taxed for
What I'm going to tell you is we have some episodes that
Yeah.
are recorded by some tax professionals, and I'm going to have you watch those things if you want to depress yourself. But I will tell you it is a third tax.
Good. All right, there we go.